Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hi, this is Shruti Thorat. I am first year computer engineering student from Zeal College of Engineering and Research. Under Project Based Learning 4, our members Pranit Shetty, Mayuri Shigwan, Shruti Shinde and me Shruti Thorat completed our project under the guidance of Professor Sunil Sangwe sir. Our project is Emergency Traffic Light System and main objective of our project is to create a traffic signal system which would help the emergency vehicles like ambulance, fire truck, police vans, etc. to move easier towards destination and reduce chaos due to it using simple IoT system. Now Pranit will show the working and coding of this project and I would ask Pranit to tell us about the same.
Thank you Shruti for such a wonderful introduction. So for creating the emergency traffic light system, we will be using some IoT devices which are Arduino board, LED lights, photoresistor and some jumper wires. So LEDs would simulate the traffic lights. Photo detector would detect whether it is daytime or night, according to which the brightness of the LEDs and the street light would be set. So this is the Arduino board which would be used to take the data from these sensors and then according to which it should send signals to the respective LED lights at the junctions to glow it up. So let's zoom toward this. So this is the code of the Arduino. So it performs various functions such as glowing the traffic light at the specific junction and then waiting for the emergency vehicles to pass and detecting whether it's daytime or the night time and doing other various things. So you can see currently it is night, so these two street lights are lit up and the traffic light is randomizing. As you can see, junction 2 is now lit up and other all are at stop, means red color, and this is the intermediate step and then it will change to other junction. So this is the normal condition in which the traffic light would work. So when an emergency vehicle would need to pass through the traffic lights, so they will be provided a specific app which would be connected to this IoT system, and then whenever we enter the junction number we have to enter from, that junction will be lit up. So let's put junction number 1. So now you can see this is the intermediate step and then junction 1, J1. Here you can see junction 1 is now currently lit up. You can see here. Similarly, if we want the junction 2 to lit up, we will type 2 and then you can see junction 2. Here also J2. Junction 2 is lit up and other all are at red, means stop. Similarly, if we put the junction number 4, then you can see junction number 4 will be lit up. So junction number 4 is currently lighted up and other all are at stop. So similarly, if we change the night to day, you can see these two street lights are now turned off and you can see the brightness is now little dimmer. Similarly, if we change again to the night, then you can see these two LEDs will light up. So this was the working of the emergency traffic light system.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.